How about some stewed baby bella mushrooms with prosciutto and onions and garlic. There's everything cut up. You see the garlic. That's, why am I so nervous? The heat's on. Add 1, 2, 3, that's 4 cloves of garlic cut in half lengthwise. So you can see the size, good size. And there's the prosciutto, and there's the onions or shallots, preferably shallots. We're going to saute this. Some of the leaves will come off. This is fresh rosemary, so it doesn't have to be chopped up. You can chew them, and they're chewable. Let's get a little more flame here. This is as a side dish. These baby bellas, they don't shrink up as much as regular white button mushrooms, so you get more out of them. And we're going to cover it to quicken the cooking. We're not looking for color, we just want to cook this. So I'm going to let this run. This is the amount of time that it's going to take to do this recipe. Then after a couple of minutes like this, I'm going to put in the sherry, see if it'll flambe. If it doesn't, well, it's okay. The alcohol will still be cooked out of it. Then I'll throw in the flour, because we're going to make a roux, and some salt and pepper, which I could add now, which I should. Salt, pepper, and the baby bellas really need to be covered because they don't give off moisture like the buttons do. This will not take long. Meanwhile, I'm drinking a can of beer. I don't know why. And it's raining. I hope you're enjoying your day. We on Long Island in New York, it's a mild day, but it's raining. Could be snow. Glad it's raining. I'm going to put the sherry in there. But you know you can eat these mushrooms raw, so why cook them so much? And if you notice, the stems aren't in there. Why not? Presentation. Looks better without the stem. The stem I'm going to put in my salad. But if you're making this just for you in the house, you could leave the stems. And I'm showing you, you notice I cut the mushrooms on an angle in half, and then again in half. So each mushroom has 4 pieces. Now this flame is going to get up very high, and we'll see what happens here. That's what I want. Come on, what kind of sherry is this? Isn't there alcohol in there? Very little flambe. The highest flame possible. I want to reduce this. Just the flavor is in there. It's going to reduce fast. High flame. I smell the rosemary, which is good. High flame. About another minute, I'm going to add the flour. And then right after the flour, I'm going to add a couple of ways of doing this. If I had banging noise, if I had heavy cream in the house, which I don't, I would just pour. Oh, I do have heavy cream. So let's use a combination here of some heavy cream and some chicken broth. So this should look really good. And then maybe, not maybe, okay, add the flour. Try and get it in the pan, not over the pan. All gone. Next thing we'll do is throw in the chicken stock. Use a good chicken stock or make your own. This happens to be the one from Costco. It's very good. I used to use College Inn brand liquid. That was good, but this is a hell of a lot better. Oh, the flour's doing what it's supposed to do. Help thicken this mess. Color's great. I like that brown. And then I'm going to give it a quick taste right now. I don't have to season that anymore. Notice how it's thickening, thickening, thickening. Get ready to put a quarter of a cup of heavy cream in there. And that will do it. And all you got to do is just pick that stem out, and the flavor of the rosemary's in there. So that was a quarter cup heavy cream, a cup of chicken stock. You know, I'm making this recipe as I go. I found I had baby bellas in the refrigerator, rosemary in the freezer, and I'm going, let's make something. I was going to buy shallots on the way home from bowling, but I forgot. So we're living with this. And now the heavy cream, and voila, we are done. How long did that take? Not long at all. What's better than heavy cream in anything? Now we want this not dry, just like this, just the way it is. One more taste. That's right, I double dipped. It's my house, I'm eating this, I can. We're done. How's that? Let's see how it looks. And a nice one of these. You just spoon it out. So you have enough here for 2 people. And you can finish this off with a little chopped parsley, scallions, chives, anything green. And this will give you an idea of how much is there. Voila. I say that's beautiful, and it tastes great. I hope you enjoy it.